Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is Urban Backyard Container Gardening, and I am Moses. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you as well. Today, we are going to tackle the problem of ants in some of my raised beds and containers. You probably saw in the intro that we have some in my Vego elevated raised bed. So we're going to use some diatomaceous earth to see if we can rectify that. We're also going to feed my plants, the watermelon patch and my peppers specifically. And let's get started. So this is a bag of diatomaceous earth that I got off of Amazon. And most of the time when I order, it comes with the little um, sprayer that you can use to shoot out the powder. But this time, this particular brand didn't. So I have a glove on and I'm just going to sprinkle the powder as best I can on the area where the ants are. Okay, that should do it for now. I noticed some that I had some in my green stalk planter, so we're going to go over there as well. Diatomaceous earth is a soft, powdery material made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic algae called diatoms. And some of the common uses for diatomaceous earth is a natural insect control for insects such as ants, fleas, bedbugs, and cockroaches. You want to be careful getting the powder all over you since it's basically a microscopic glass. It will irritate your skin and you don't want to inhale it as well. So we've gotten this taken care of. Now we're going to go ahead and do our fertilizing. Many of you know that I use AgroThrive in combination with Jack's 2015-20, I believe it is. And I put it in my injector and run it through my irrigation or hand water. And today, many of you may not have seen that process. So today I'm going to show you how I mix it up. And then we're going to go ahead and do our hand watering. So as you can see, we have the injector connected to my water hose. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and unscrew the cap, put in the fertilizer, mix it up, put the cap back on, and ensure that the water flows through the injector, and then start fertilizing. Now you'll notice that the hoses leading from the injector back to my water hose, It has a black hose and a white hose. The black hose is the water coming from my well going in, and the clear hose rather, is the hose with the fertilizer in it coming out. Once I have the water on and actually using it, it will go from being clear like it is now to a dark brown, bluish brown color, and that lets me know that the fertilizer is ready. These are my white watermelon, and we have flowers, no fruit yet. And the drip system in this bed as well as this one is on the fritz. Doesn't do what it was doing last year. So this is why we're doing the hand watering. Now, as I said in a previous video, I just want just one watermelon, and I'll be happy from this patch as well as the Georgia rattlesnake patch. Keep your fingers crossed for me and pray. Now, I've been lax on watering the green stalk, and that's partly as to why it looks the way that it does. But hopefully, with the diatomaceous earth and the watering that it's getting now, the beans will get to be luscious again, and The strawberries will continue doing what they were doing. I actually have watermelon vine growing in the green stock as well. So we got our watering slash fertilizing done. And the last thing that we need to do for early morning chores is to add some compost around our 3 newest tomato plants. So we're going to go ahead and do that in my Vago Garden compost bin. We have homemade compost, and here in the self-watering planter, we have a newly planted tomato. This is the Rosella Crimson, and we're going to go ahead and add some compost around it. Probably going to come back too and throw some mulch on top of these plants as well. Well, at least the first one that we just did. I think these I can just place the mulch back. Yeah, I think I'll put a little bit mulch around there as well. Let's go over to the last one here. Now, both this one and the last one that we did are beefsteak determinants. Okay, let's go get the mulch and put some down. Thank you for coming along with me while we did these early morning chores. We were successful and got everything accomplished. And hopefully we will see signs of our work in the near future. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. What type of chores do you guys do on a regular basis around the garden that either gets filmed or doesn't get filmed? Is it something similar to what I do? Let me know down in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, and this is the type of work that we do here on the homestead. If this appeals to you, hit that notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give God the thanks, for without him we are nothing. And I'll see you in the next one.